Are you looking for the best way to sell courses online? LearnWorlds is one of the top platforms for course creators, and in this quick tutorial, we'll dive into how to use LearnWorlds to start selling your courses and making money online. Stick around, because I'm not just showing you how to use LearnWorlds, I'll also reveal some competitors that might just be better for your goals by the end of this video. So, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is create your account on LearnWorlds. It's simple and takes just a few minutes. Once you're in, you'll want to start by setting up your course. LearnWorlds gives you an intuitive course builder. You can add videos, quizzes, assignments, and other media to engage your students. But be careful, while it's user-friendly, the interface can feel a bit clunky at times compared to other platforms, so expect a slight learning curve. Next thing, let's talk about pricing. LearnWorlds offers a variety of pricing plans, but they can be a bit expensive. For example, their most basic plan starts at $29 per month. This includes the basic features like unlimited courses and quizzes, but if you want advanced features like affiliate programs or additional integrations, you'll need to upgrade to a more premium plan. For many beginners, that's a lot to swallow, especially if you're just getting started. Now, the third thing, customization. LearnWorlds does offer some great customization options for your landing pages and course website. But again, they might not be as flexible as competitors like Teachable or Thinkific, which allow for more freedom with design without needing to code. Still, if you're looking for a platform that helps with branding and custom design, LearnWorlds does a decent job. The fourth thing you should know is LearnWorlds' built-in marketing tools. It's nice to have everything in one place, right? LearnWorlds lets you set up email marketing campaigns, create discounts, and even build an affiliate program. However, while these features are convenient, they're not as advanced or robust as tools like Kajabi or Podia, which are more focused on growing your business. Moving on to support. LearnWorlds does offer decent customer service through email and live chat. That said, the response time can be slower than you might expect from higher-end competitors. When you're facing an issue, it can be frustrating to wait for a resolution. Lastly, let's wrap up with something important: scalability. LearnWorlds is an excellent platform if you want to build and scale your course business. But the high pricing and limited integrations may become an issue as you grow. If you're looking for a platform that can scale easily and offer better value as you expand, there might be better options available. Now, if you're wondering about alternatives that might actually be better suited for your specific needs, stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share my top recommendations and give you exclusive benefits only available through our link. And as promised, LearnWorlds does offer an exclusive extended free trial through our link. But remember, we've got some other great options that come with free trials and might even offer more of what you're looking for. Check them out and choose the one that works best for you. So, there you have it: how to sell courses online with LearnWorlds. We've covered the basics, but make sure to grab that exclusive deal using the link in the description for LearnWorlds and take a look at the alternatives that might be the perfect fit for you.